We work at one of the largest, most modern polyclinics in Germany. We specialize in the treatment of head and neck tumors using an interdisciplinary approach. We work hand in hand with our colleagues at ENT, oncology, and radio-oncology. Our main focus is surgical treatment, both for tumor excision and reconstruction. That means we don't just remove the tumor, but we also help reconstruct the patient's tissue both functionally and aesthetically. For every patient, we analyze their case and consider carefully which exact treatment from our vast range of techniques would be most suitable. Over the last years, we have steadily broadened our therapeutic portfolio. By including virtual planning, we can treat our patients with high precision using the most innovative treatments. Before surgery, we first create virtual plans and patterns how to drill or saw. In 2006, I was a pioneer using this approach. Today, it has become the golden standard across the field. Of course, I am proud to have paved the way for this new treatment method. For treatment planning, we harness both AI and individualized data analysis. Let's take bone reconstruction as an example. After tumor removal from the patient's head, for instance, we take bone fragments from other body parts to reconstruct the original facial structure. Using these individualized implants, we can best support the healing process. Why do we use 3D printers? First of all, we can use 3D models for precise planning. Secondly, we can also hand 3D printed models to the patient to explain to them clearly what is going on and what needs to be done. Moreover, 3D printing also enables us to produce individualized implants for every single patient. The future lies in increasingly individualized treatment. We can use AI to analyze the patient's data and develop the best solution possible. While we deal with huge data sets, we need to filter them properly for analysis. This is where AI comes in. I am very optimistic that we will make great strides here. Heidelberg University Hospital is a unique medical hub with different clinics, highly specialized staff, and a stellar reputation. I am very proof of the work that we do here. What makes working here so amazing is the teamwork. From every field, experts come together to treat our patients at our hospital. I am convinced that we can handle any medical challenge because of our skilled physicians and staff. We offer a vast range of treatments and techniques to address even the most complex cases.